Hello, is this the plane for our little trip?
Hi. Yes, it is. Her name is Ruby.
Ruby is very small. Are you sure it is safe?
I am very sure. I fly Ruby every single day.
My name is Lily. This is my first flight.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I am Captain Felix.
I am very afraid of heights, Felix. My heart is fast.
Don't worry. The sky is a very friendly place.
Why is the propeller moving so slowly now?
She is just waking up. She needs a moment.
I have my bag and my lucky camera here.
Great. Put your bag in the small back seat.
Can I sit next to you in the front?
Yes, you are my co-pilot today. Please come in.
The seats are very soft and comfortable.
Now, put on your seatbelt. Pull it very tight.
Okay, my seatbelt is closed. What is next?
Put on these big headphones. We can talk through them.
Wow, your voice is very loud.
I can hear you perfectly too. Are you ready?
I think so. Please be very gentle with us.
I will. Ruby and I are a very good team.
The sun is very bright. The sky is so blue.
It is a perfect day for a big adventure.
Let's go then. I am ready, I think.
Look at the dashboard, Lily. There are many dials.
There are so many numbers. What does this one do?
That tells us how high we are in the sky.
And this big round one with the moving needle?
That is our speed. We go fast, but not too fast.
Why is there a small map on that screen?
That is our GPS. It shows us the way home.
It looks like a video game. It is very cool.
It is a bit like a game, but real.
Can I touch this red button near my hand?
No, please don't. That is for the emergency radio.
Sorry, I will keep my hands quiet.
You can hold this black handle. It is for balance.
It feels strong. I feel a bit more safe now.
Good. Now I'm checking the oil and the fuel.
Do we have enough fuel for a long trip?
We have a full tank. We can fly for hours.
I only want to fly for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes is perfect for your first time.
I am looking at the grass. It is very green.
Soon, the grass will look like a small carpet.
I am closing my eyes now. Tell me when we fly.
Keep them open, Lily. The takeoff is the best part.
Okay, I am brave. I am looking at the propeller.
Here we go. Ruby is ready to run. Hold on tight, Lily.
Oh, we are moving very fast on the grass.
Look at the needle. We are going 50, 60.
Everything is moving so fast. I am a bit dizzy.
Now I am pulling the wheel back. Look up.
Oh my God, we are in the air.
Look down, Lily. The cars look like small toys.
Wow, the trees are like little broccoli.
Broccoli? You must be very hungry.
No, I'm just surprised. The world is so tiny.
We are 100 meters high now. It is easy.
I feel a little bit like a bird, a very big bird.
You're doing great. You're not crying or screaming.
I'm too busy looking. The lake is so blue.
That is the Silver Lake. It is very deep and cold.
I can see a small boat. It is moving slowly.
People are waving at us. Can you see them?
Hello, tiny people. We're flying.
Now we are turning to the left. Feel the movement?
Yes, the plane is leaning. It feels like a swing.
It is a very safe swing. Ruby is very stable.
I am not afraid anymore, Felix. This is beautiful.
I am glad. The fear is gone, but the magic stays.
Can we go higher? I want to see the clouds.
Let's go up to the kingdom of the white clouds. Look at that big cloud. It looks like a castle.
It is so white and fluffy. Can we touch it?
We can fly through it. It is just like cold steam.
Everything is white. I can't see.
It's okay. I have my dials. I know where we are.
It feels like we are inside a giant bowl of milk.
And now we are out. Look at the sun now.
The sun is so bright and gold above the clouds.
This is my favorite place. It is very quiet here.
Why is the air so still? There is no wind at all.
We are in a calm pocket. Ruby loves this air.
I want to take a photo. My camera is ready.
Take many photos. Your friends will be jealous.
The clouds look like a soft ocean.
People call it a sea of clouds. It is a dream.
I feel like I am in a Pixar movie right now.
Maybe you are. You have the spirit of a hero.
Am I a hero? I was so scared 10 minutes ago.
A hero is a person who is scared but does it.
Thank you, Felix. You are a very wise pilot.
I have many years in the sky. The sky teaches you.
What does the sky teach you? Tell me a secret.
It teaches you that our problems are very small.
Yes, my problems are tiny, like the cars.
Exactly. Now let's look for the mountain. Look to the right. Do you see the white peak?
Is that snow? It is middle of the summer.
Yes, it is old snow. It stays there all year.
The mountain looks so strong and very tall.
That is Mount Giant. It is the tallest in the land.
We're flying very close to the rocks. Is it okay?
I am keeping a safe distance. Don't worry, Lily.
I can see a small goat on the rocks. Look!
Oh yes, a mountain goat. He is a pilot too.
He doesn't have a plane, he has 4 legs.
He is very fast. He never falls from the cliffs.
I want to be like that goat, brave and strong.
You are already doing it. You are a mountain explorer.
Can we see the city from here? My house is there.
Yes, turn your head. The city is behind the forest.
I see the tall buildings. They look like gray pencils.
And the red roofs, are those the old houses?
Yes, my house has a red roof and a blue door.
I see many red roofs. It is a very colorful city.
I love my city, but it looks better from up here.
Everything looks better with a bit of perspective.
Ruby is making a different sound now. Is she tired?
No, I'm just slowing down the engine a little.
Why? Are we going to land now?
Not yet. We have a sunset to watch first. Look at the horizon. The sky is changing color.
It is turning orange, pink, and very dark purple.
This is the most beautiful time for a flight.
The sun looks like a big orange ball in the sky.
It is going down to sleep. We must follow it.
Everything is glowing. Your face is orange too, Felix.
And your hair looks like it is on fire.
This is so romantic and peaceful. I love this.
This is why I am a pilot. For moments like this.
Do you ever get bored of the sunset, Captain?
Never. Every single sunset is a new painting.
I am taking my last photo now. It is perfect.
Keep the memory in your heart, not just a camera.
I will. I will never forget this orange light.
Now, the air is getting a bit cold. Close the vent.
Okay. It is warm and cozy inside again.
We are turning back to the airfield now, Lily.
I am a little bit sad. I want to stay in the sky.
Ruby needs to rest. She worked very hard today.
Can we fly again tomorrow or next week?
Of course. You are my favorite co-pilot now.
I am going to tell all my friends about Ruby.
Tell them that Lily is the bravest girl in the world.
I will. I feel very brave and very tall.
Let's prepare for the landing. Focus now. I see the runway. It is the long gray line.
Are those small lights on the ground?
Yes, they are landing lights. They show us the way.
We are getting lower and lower. I see the grass again.
Keep your back straight. Hold the handle gently.
I am ready. Is it going to be a bump?
Maybe a small one. Ruby likes to jump a little.
Bump, bump.
And we are down. Welcome back to Earth, Lily.
That was so smooth. You are a master pilot, Felix.
Thank you. Ruby did the most work, I think.
She is a very good girl. Thank you, Ruby.
We are taxiing to the hangar now. We are safe.
My legs feel a bit strange, like they are made of jelly.
That is normal. It is called sea legs.
I want to stand on the grass and jump.
Wait for the engine to stop completely, please.
Now it is so quiet. I can hear the birds.
Open the door. Take a deep breath of fresh air.
It smells like cut grass and evening.
You did it, Lily. Your first flight is finished.
I am not a girl who is afraid of heights anymore.
No, you are a girl who loves the clouds.
Thank you for the best day of my life.
You are very welcome. See you soon in the sky.
I am back on the ground. I was scared, but now I am very, very happy. You can do anything. Just be brave like a mountain goat. Repeat after me. I am flying in the sky. Great. Now say, the sunset is very beautiful.
And remember, the sky is for everyone. Say it with me. I want to be a pilot one day. Perfect. Your English is flying high today.
I am going home to show my photos to my mother.
She will not believe her eyes when she sees the clouds.
I will tell her that Felix and Ruby are my best friends.
We will be here waiting for our next big adventure.
I am taking off my headphones now. Goodbye, Felix.
Take care of your lucky camera.
I will. See you next week for the mountain trip.
It's a deal. Safe travels on the ground.
I feel like I am still floating.
Ruby, we have a new friend.
Learning English is like flying. It's a bit scary at first.
But when you're up there, it's the best feeling.
Never stop learning and never stop dreaming.
The horizon is always there for you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.